Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Microsoft Authenticator codes to a new device safely step by step clearly. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your old device. Ensure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the backup option and tap to enable it. This will allow your codes to be securely backed up to your Microsoft account. Once backup is enabled, confirm that the codes are backed up by checking for the backup status. Now, on your new device, download and install the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store. Open the app on your new device. On the welcome screen, select the option for Recover from Backup. You will be prompted to sign in with the same Microsoft account used on your old device. Enter your login credentials and authenticate as necessary. After signing in, you will see a list of your backed up accounts. Select the accounts you want to restore and tap on Restore. The app will now download your Authenticator codes to your new device. Once the process is complete, check that all codes are visible and functioning correctly. For added security, consider setting up biometric authentication on the app. Always remember to keep your backup codes stored securely elsewhere. You have now successfully backed up your Microsoft Authenticator codes to a new device safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.